When you have two cute fur babies like I do, and you're looking for the best in nutrition for a sensitive tummy, I go straight to a bundle of joy. They have these beef jerky bars that I'm going to unbox now that my dogs absolutely love. My favorite part about these little jerky sticks is that you can break them up into tiny pieces for a small dog like mine, and they're made of natural ingredients. This is my second time purchasing these jerky bars, and my dogs love it. She's the picky eater, but she loves these too. Now, this time I purchased a lamb recipe for their kibble. This is a no wheat, no corn, no soy formula, and the number one ingredient is lamb meat. Now it's time for a taste test. This is Pineapple. He's 2 years old and he eats everything. This was a no brainer. He loved it. And now Candy. She is going to be 10 years old and she's the pickiest eater I have ever witnessed as a dog. And look at her, she loves it. So if you want to try these products and support a Latina women owned business, please click on the orange card below.